Hello everyone out there, I'm Joseph Idoko, and in this video I'll be showing us how to take and participate in airdrops. Airdrops are let's say funds or a way of advertising a product, giving the community and access to hold and gain access to the coin of that project, then for them to start using it via them performing some certain tasks on social media to be qualified to receive that access. So I've heard a lot of people complain how that they really love crypto, they want to go into crypto, but the problem is that they don't have money to do it. You don't need money to start cryptocurrency trading. You can start by performing or taking part in airdrops. I didn't start with money either. And through airdrops now, we started building our portfolio. We do tasks, we promote certain projects, they give us their access, they distributed their access to some selected people that filled the form correctly and did the task correctly. So this was how we all started. Many crypto enthusiasts today will tell you that they started from performing and promoting other projects, and they were opportune to have to be given the privilege to hold certain amount of that access free of charge. So you don't necessarily need money to start crypto. You can start from airdrops, and you need to be patient, um, not to be hasty in selling those coins. Once you get them, if you know that the project has prospect, you hold on to that coin, because there's a lot of roadmap, there's a lot of mission, there's a lot of accomplishment that they have not even activated, or they have not carried out yet their plans and goals. So in this video, I'll show us a typical example on how to rightly perform and also take part in airdrops. And one thing I want to let us know again, to successfully do this, you have to show, you have to have a social media presence in the some of the crypto friendly social media platform like Twitter, like Telegram, like Discord. We have Reddit, we have Medium, a lot of them. Facebook, not much of crypto is going on on Facebook, so I wouldn't really visualize anybody to even maybe use Facebook as a medium of doing all these things. You won't find much on Facebook when it comes to this industry. So that is number one. Number two of the things I need you to know and understand again is that when you are coming into an industry, make sure you do a diligent research of that industry. You follow pioneers of those industries. You follow figures, that is, people that represent success in that industry. So my social media platform, I'm following most of the CEOs of the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the whole world, and I'm following a lot of social media influencers, crypto based. So this is what I've been doing, and it has helped me a lot. Any information on crypto and blockchain, I used to get first class information from those people, because they can't lie to you. They have reputation. They need to protect their name. So let's go to the video proper, where I will be showing you how to take part in airdrop free of charge. So as you can see, this is my Twitter handle now. This is my account on Twitter. So I'm following a lot of people here. I've said to you already, mostly social media influencer, crypto based, and pioneers of blockchain technology. So what I will do next is to go through some of the tweet and the retweet that have been done today, because as you are following these people, any opportunity in the industry, they will tweet about it, and you get to participate on time. Like, okay, on my Twitter wall here, this tweet by this project now was tweeted. Let me broaden my screen so that you people will see it clearly. Now, I have a tweet here. It was tweeted 45 minutes ago and is a project under the Solana blockchain. They are carrying out an airdrop. Okay, I will just read what the most importantly, let me just highlight something. If you get an information or a tweet like this about an airdrop, you should read what they are saying first and what you are required to do. There are instructions for you to follow. Like this tweet now, they say to celebrate our launch, we are organizing an airdrop for first 1,000 valid entry. So this airdrop now is for the first 1,000. And here, they are not even the people that have done this now or that have even engaged in this. It's not all the people that retweeted or quote tweet that have filled the form. But in essence, now, let's say in another in essence now, these people they are not up to 1,000 yet. So I'm still early to participate in this airdrop. So let's go further. This is the instruction given now to qualify. They say you must like, follow, retweet this post with hashtag this airdrop, hashtag soul. Then tag two friends. Then fill the form. This is the link to the form. So all these things now you follow them gradually, you follow them step by step to be qualified to get this airdrop. The airdrop now, they have a specific date of distribution. So once you have filled this form, you have submitted your information, you don't need to worry again. If you are qualified, they will send the access to your account immediately. So let's do what they ask us to do now. The instruction, let's follow the instruction and act on it. First of all, they say like, I've already liked it. Okay, I've already liked it like this. Then they say follow. I have to follow their Twitter handle. Let me do it here. So this is that I'm already following them on Twitter. So the next thing they say we should do is to retweet with this post. You should retweet this post with hashtag airdrop, hashtag soul. So I'm going to retweet this post now with this hashtag. Okay, and again, they say we should tag two friends. Since they say we should tag two friends, I will tag two friends before putting the hashtag so that you follow it step by step. So having done this now, I'm just going to reply to tweet it. Then I'll copy the link to this read I just did. In case they ask of it in the form I'm to fill, to submit the link of the retweet and the tagging of two friends. So the other thing they say fill this form. I'm going to click on the link so that the form will open for me to start filling it. So more instructions are on the form. So that you have performed the task on Twitter is not all. You must open the form to do the remaining tasks or what is required of you to do there. Do you agree with these terms and conditions that apply? You must, yeah, okay, let's just read the terms and conditions. Why we choose Solana. Solana is a fast, secure, censorship resistant blockchain providing. Let me widen the screen so that you guys can see the information here. So you read the information that is available here for you to agree to their terms and conditions. So there's something here under note. They say mint address of this S codes will release soon, will be released soon, and distribution of the airdrop will announce on the 5th of April. Best of luck. See, now what you need to know here now on Solana blockchain or network now, you need to mint the access for you to receive the airdrop. It's not like on Binance Smart Chain that you don't need to mint it. You just submit your information and your wallet address, and the airdrop, when distributed, if you are qualified, to be sent to your wallet. But Solana, most of their assets, you need to mint the address for you to receive it. So now, do you agree with these terms and conditions that apply? So we'll say yes, then click on the next button. So the next button will bring us to more of the tags. Okay, we have followed and we have also retweet tweet. We have followed their Twitter account. We have quote tweet, retweet, pin, and tag two friends. Then they are saying we should join their Discord channel. So I'm going to join their Discord channel. So after joining their Discord channel, I'll come back and enter my Twitter ID. My Twitter ID is just like my Twitter username. So I'll get it here. Look at my Twitter ID here. This is my username. Let me broaden the screen so that you people will see it clearer. So here you get to see my Twitter ID, where you see at XLE340555213. This is my Twitter username. So I'm going to copy my Twitter username and submit in the form. So I've submitted my Twitter username. I'll go to the next instruction. Enter your Discord ID. So I'm going to enter my ID here now. So this is my Twitter and my Discord ID. Now, this is the last instruction here. Enter your soul address. Your soul address now is Solana withdrawals address. You can get it on. You can create if you don't. So haven't copied my Solana address. I'll just paste it here, then submit the form. So once I submit the form, I've successfully participated in this airdrop. I'll just wait for the airdrop to be distributed. So guys, this is how you participate in airdrop. In our next video, I will do an airdrop